So first, open terminal, and so now for us to install mysql, first we have to check whether mysql is already installed or not. So for that we have to type a command, that is mysql as that version, then we'll press enter. So now it says my command mysql not found, but can be installed with it. So we have to install, we are sure that mysql isn't already installed in our system, so we have to install mysql. But before installing mysql, we have to update our repository. For that we have to type command sudo apt update, then press enter. Now we have to write give our password, then enter, and then after that we will write command to install mysql server. So this command will update our package. So now we have to give our command to install our mysql server. For that we have to type the command sudo apt install mysql server, then enter. It is going to take a while. So now do you want to continue? We want to continue, so we will type yes and then enter. So this process will take a while. It's a lengthy process. So wait until a mysql server is completely installed in our system. It may take a while to install the mysql. It's taking quite a while. Okay, so now we will check whether our mysql server is installed or not. For that we will again write the previous command, that is mysql data version. So now you can see that mysql version 8.0.35 is installed successfully. Now we have to secure our mysql installation. For that we have to write a command, that is sudo mysql underscore secure secure underscore installation, and then press enter. Then again we will have to you have to read that connecting to mysql using blank password and valid password and this, and here we will type yes, then y, then enter. Then here there are 3 levels of password validation policy given, that is low. For low the password should be only greater than 8 character, greater or equals to 8 character, and for medium it should be greater than or equals to 8, and numerics and the mixed case and special character. Whereas for the strong password, strong password, the length should be greater than or equals to 8. Numeric, there should be at least 1 numeric, mixed case or special characters and dictionary files. So here we'll only put that low one, so we will either 0 for low, 1 for medium, and 2 for strong. So we will give 0, as we'll only choose lower password. So press enter. Then here it says a MySQL installation as an anonymous user allowing anyone to log in, and that you it says it has a anonymous user. So do you want to remove anonymous user? Then so we obviously want to remove any anonymous user, so we'll press Y and then enter. Then it's a root should only be allowed to connect from localhost. So for this also it says disallow root login remotely, so we will also enter type S and then enter. Then remove test tables and access to it. Then for that also we will type Y and then enter. Then reload privilege table now. Then for that also we will type Y and then enter. Then now our MySQL installation is made secure. Now after that we will have to start and enable our MySQL service. For that we write command sudo systemctl start MySQL. Okay, then we'll press enter. Then we also enable our MySQL service. So sudo systemctl enable MySQL, then enter. After that after this we will check our MySQL status, whether it is active or inactive. For that we will enter sudo systemctl then status, then MySQL, then enter. After this we can see that our MySQL service is active and it's running. So now we'll go back. We'll write another command to access our MySQL. For that we have to go outside. For that we have to press Ctrl plus C. Then we can write our command here, MySQL -u root -p, enter. Now we make our password blank in the above while securing our MySQL. So like here you see it, here it says, right? So we can press enter. Then it says access denied for the user. So again we will type this and again press enter, or write anything, 8 characters, okay, anything, 3 4 5 6 7 8, then enter. It also says access denied. So now what we have to do is we have to first restart our MySQL service. For that we will write our command sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Okay, after that our MySQL will be restarted. Then we will try using only sudo MySQL. Then so after we enter sudo MySQL, then we will provide our password. Then we will enter to our MySQL. Then here we will create new user and provide the password for it. So let's create a user. Create user @local host, then identity identified by. Now we will provide our password. So then we'll press enter. It says our password doesn't satisfy the current policy requirements, so here again we will have to create new password. Create user localhost identified by. Let's create a new password. Okay, let's enter it. Again it says it doesn't meet our password requirement, so what we can do is again create our solid password. Give another password. Okay, so okay, enter. Now after providing the password, it is succeed. Now we have to grant privilege to the user. So for that we will write the command grant So again we restart our mysql and we'll check our status of our mysql. Status, then enter, right? It is active. So again we will write our command. Now we will give our password which we have set above. Now let's see, look here, through this user and the password we can go to our mysql. So that what we have done is we have created new user and then set a password to that user. We have installed mysql and we have secure, we have one secure installation of mysql. Then we create new user and then we set password to the user, and through that username and password we can access the mysql. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and bye bye, have a good day.